Hey everyone, welcome to another video. This is part 2 of the entire series. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how you can install the auto add to cart script on your store. So first, head to your online store, themes, click on the three dots and you'll find edit code. And inside edit code, when you're here, it'll open up something like this. Go to assets and then create a new file, name it auto_add.js. That I've already created this file and I've copy pasted the information, but basically in your email you will find this auto_add.js file, right? You will need to copy paste that entire script and hit save. Now if you do this, actually nothing will happen on your store just yet, because there are still a few more steps that we need to do. Second thing is that we also need to go to the theme.liquid, which you can go by hitting the search bar, searching for theme.liquid. Usually most themes will have a theme.liquid. Find the /head in that theme.liquid, and there will be another file in your email which you can also copy paste, which will basically run or import this file in your theme, right? And actually load it in your browser. That's what this one does. This part basically what it does is it fetches the customer information and then passes it as a window object for the script to access the customer details, right? If the customer is logged in, it will pass all these liquid variables, right? And basically take it into and use it as a window, make it available as a window object, right? So this is the second part to the script where you need to add these things. Now there's one more part to this where you need to this is for all the checks that are based on collections, right? So if you want to say something like if customer buys X dollars from particular collection, right? So for that we need this particular script. What it will do is it will basically pass all the collection information as a line item property, as a hidden line item property, right? So here not this one, yeah, that doesn't matter. So basically it will pass hidden line item property, which is here, right? It will basically pass all the collection information as a hidden line item property when the user is adding the item to the cart. Now add that inside the form, add to cart form, so you can find it easily. So buy buttons will, you can go inside and then you can just start collapsing all these things, and you will find on the first section itself you will find form, right? So inside the form you will have to add this particular section, which will also be shared with you on your email. So this basically makes sure that all the collection information is passed to the item when it is added to the cart. Now I'll hit save and that's about it from my side for the setup part. Now the moment you have finished the setup, right, you will notice that the configs are all grayed out or are all disabled. This is because by default, even though we have a lot of example configs on the script, all of them are disabled so that no intended action, like no unintended action happens on the theme without you manually having to configure it, right? So once you do all that, and if you open up your network tab, right, the console tab, you will start seeing console logs about the script that just loaded in. So now that I've saved all my changes, I'll just go refresh my theme, and you can see since I'm logged in, I can see the customer object, right? This is all the information about me as a customer made available. You can disable all these console logs as well. They are just there for debug purposes so that you can really see what the script is doing, and it will initialize the script. So this part, until this part, this should happen if you have installed everything correctly. But you will see all these console logs on your theme, and you can just filter everything by $labs, and that way you can make sure that all logs by the script are only what is shown on the screen. If you have any doubts installing this, feel free to shoot out an email. We'll try to help you the best we can.